Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart elements from Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to clean up your charts and remove any unnecessary labels or visual elements that might be cluttering your data presentation. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Workspace account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple Google accounts set up on your browser. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, locate and click on the specific spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to edit. This will open up your Google Sheets document where all your data and charts are stored. Now, let's say you have a sample chart already created in your spreadsheet. Click directly on that chart to select it. You'll notice that when the chart is selected, a three-dot menu icon appears in the upper right corner of the chart itself. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Edit Chart. This action opens up the chart editing interface where you can make all your modifications. Once you click Edit Chart, the chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. This editor gives you access to all the customization options for your chart. Look for the Customize tab at the top of this editor panel and click on it. This is where all the magic happens for removing chart elements. Let's start by removing the chart title. In the Customize section, click on Chart and Axis Titles. You'll see a field labeled Title Text, which currently contains your chart's title. Simply delete the text inside this field, and just like that, you've removed the chart title from your visualization. Next, let's work on removing the horizontal axis title. Click the drop-down menu within the Chart and Axis Titles section and select Horizontal Axis Title from the options. Again, you'll see a title text field. Remove the text inside this field to delete the horizontal axis title from your chart. Now let's try removing the series data labels. Click on Series in the Customize menu. You'll see an option for data labels with a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck the data labels option, and those labels will disappear from your chart immediately. Another common element people want to remove is the grid lines. To do this, click on Grid Lines and Ticks in the Customize menu. You'll see an option for major grid lines with a checkbox. Uncheck major grid lines, and those lines will be removed from your chart background, giving it a cleaner appearance. And that's it. Using the Customize tab in the chart editor gives you complete control over which elements appear on your chart. You can mix and match these options to create exactly the visual presentation you need for your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.